Hey folks, another S Group Daily Review video number 140. We just got our profits today, with 0.17%. So on the money I've invested, I made $36.97, adding these two figures together. And yeah, so today, guys, is week 4 of my cycle. So, excuse me, what I'm going to be doing in this video is combining my two investments, and I'll be sending a member $300. So first step, I'm gonna click on this button here. Gonna click combine deposits. It'll combine these two into one. It'll take the earnings. It'll shoot it up at the top right here, as you'll see in a moment. So I'm gonna do combine deposits. There they are. Click on combine. Got to enter in the code here. 404931. Okay. There we go. Deposit successfully combined. And there you go, guys. I have $1,500 up there. 1,500. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm just going to take a quick picture of this. Boom. On my phone. Some good memories there. So, yeah, so first things first, I'm going to send one of the members in the system $300 because he actually sent me 400 Canadian. So if I do 400 Canadian to USD is 297. But I did say I'll send him $300. So send him a nice even 300. So I'll go to the finance page here. And there we go, there he is. So first thing I have to do, enter in $300 here, guys. Just bear with me there. Okay, I'll just copy this, paste it in here. It's his name. There you go. Not sure what this deferred is. Okay, let's. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna do that. Click on transfer. Hit confirm. You get the code. 216668. There we go. And that's done, guys. Now I'm left with 1,200. Look at that. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to text my buddy here. There we go. All right, so I just sent him that. And so now, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make an investment here. So I have 1,200 left, as you see up here, after I sent him that. So I'm figuring, okay. I think what I'll do is, so I was going to do, yeah, I'm going to do, I'll do 600 actually. So I want to make an investment. I'm going to go here, go there. But let's do 6. Yeah, let's just do 600 to be even. Okay, make an investment. It's going to cost me 630. Enter in the code. Get the code. 838612. There we go. That's how much I have left, guys. So if I go down to my investments page here, Just a minute here. There we go. Okay. If I go to my investments page here, you will see down below now, my investments have reached, well, actually, yeah, see days past at 0 because both have been reset. And now what's going to happen is after the next little while, these X's will go away, but I have 26,000 and I also have 600 here. So combined, I have 26,600. And yeah, so I'm going to be trading on that now, and everything's been reset to 0. So guys, just want to do this quick 5-minute daily review video. As you've seen, I combined my investments. I sent a member $300 USD, and then also made a brand new investment of $600. And yeah, I have 568 up the top right to enjoy the money. So yeah, that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. I know I went over a minute or so. So make sure you click on the sign up link down below. Sign up underneath S Group, join my team, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can see all my future updates. So looking really good, guys. Next month, of course, I'll flip over 27,000, and then probably in July I'll be around 29,000. So see you guys in the next video. Take care.